Hey everyone, if your website traffic is dropping, don't panic. You're not alone, and the good news is you can fix it. I've been doing digital marketing for over 2 decades and I've seen it all. Trust me, traffic fluctuations happen, but they don't have to spell disaster. Today, I'll share 5 powerful strategies that will help you regain lost traffic and get your website back on track. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to make sure your website is rock solid from a technical standpoint. Think of this as making sure your storefront is in tip-top shape. You wouldn't want to drive customers away with a broken door or flickering lights, right? Technical SEO issues can be those annoying little things that hurt your rankings and user experience. The good news is most of them are easy to fix. Here's what we're going to do. First, run a site audit. Think of this as a health checkup for your website. Tools like Google Search Console, Ahrefs, or SEMrush are your best friends here. They'll point out any errors that need fixing. Next up, page speed. In today's fast-paced world, nobody wants to wait around for a slow website. Compress those images, enable caching, and make sure you're using a fast hosting provider. It makes a world of difference, trust me. Broken links are another culprit. You know, those dreaded 404 page not found errors? Redirect those bad boys to relevant pages on your site. And finally, let's talk about mobile friendliness. These days, most people are browsing on their phones, so your site needs to look amazing on any device. Fixing these technical issues will make your website more user-friendly and help regain that lost traffic. Now let's talk about your content. Did you know that outdated content can actually hurt your rankings over time? Google loves fresh, relevant content. Think of it like this. Would you rather read a newspaper from last year or today's edition? Exactly. So how do we update old content effectively? First, rewrite and expand on what you already have. Add new statistics, case studies, and insights to make it even more valuable. Next, make sure you're optimizing for current keywords. Keyword research is crucial, my friends. Use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to find out what people are searching for right now. And don't forget about readability. Break up those long paragraphs, add headings, and make your content more engaging. Finally, spice things up with some multimedia. Add videos, infographics, or interactive elements to make your content pop. Refreshing your old content sends a clear signal to Google that your website is up to date, increasing your chances of ranking higher and attracting more visitors. Chapter 3. The power of backlinks. Rebuild and strengthen. All right, let's talk about backlinks. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites. They tell Google that your site is trustworthy and authoritative. If you've lost high-quality backlinks, it's no surprise that your traffic has taken a hit. But don't worry, we can fix this. First things first, let's reclaim any lost backlinks. Tools like Ahrefs or Moz can help you identify backlinks that have disappeared. Reach out to those site owners and see if you can get them restored. Next, focus on creating link-worthy content. Think high-quality guides, in-depth studies, or eye-catching infographics. When you create content that people love, they're more likely to link to it. Guest posting is another powerful strategy. Find industry-relevant websites and offer to write valuable articles for their audience. It's a win-win. You get a backlink, and they get great content. And finally, don't forget to disavow any toxic links. These are spammy backlinks that could be hurting your rankings. You can use Google Search Console to tell Google to ignore them. A strong backlink profile is essential for SEO success. It improves your domain authority and helps bring back that lost traffic. Chapter 4, On-Page SEO Fine-Tuning for Maximum Impact. Now let's dive into on-page SEO. This is all about optimizing your website's content and HTML to make it easy for search engines to understand and rank your pages. Think of it like this. You're giving Google a clear roadmap to your content. First up, let's talk about title tags and meta descriptions. These are snippets of text that appear in search results, so make them compelling and keyword-rich. Internal linking is another important factor. Make sure you're linking to other relevant pages on your website. This helps users navigate your site and helps Google understand the structure of your content. Next, let's talk about schema markup. This is a type of structured data that you can add to your website's HTML to provide search engines with more information about your content. And finally, let's talk about featured snippets. You know those boxes that appear at the top of some search results? Optimize your content for featured snippets by using bullet points, lists, and Quanda sections. By focusing on on-page SEO, you can significantly boost your rankings and recover lost traffic. Chapter 5, Beyond SEO: Unleashing the Power of Other Channels. Now, while SEO is incredibly important, it's not the only way to drive traffic to your website. Let's explore some other powerful channels. Social media marketing is a no-brainer. Share your content on platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest to reach a wider audience. Email marketing is another effective strategy. Build an email list and send out newsletters with valuable updates and links back to your website. Collaborations and influencer marketing can also be incredibly effective. Partner with influencers in your niche to tap into their audience. And don't underestimate the power of community engagement. Answer questions on forums like Quora and Reddit and include links back to your website. By diversifying your traffic sources, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. This makes your website more resilient to algorithm updates and helps you reach a wider audience. Time to take action. Losing website traffic can be frustrating, but with the right strategies, you can recover and even surpass your previous numbers. Remember, the key is to take action. Don't just watch this video and do nothing. Choose one of these strategies and start implementing it today. Which strategy will you implement first? Let me know in the comments below. Want more digital marketing tips? Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates.